Okay, people, welcome to my channel. My name is Santo, as you can see in my handle, and it's obvious, but I just have to repeat myself again. So today I'm going to be coming up with another hair tutorial, and it's finger curls. Finger curls has been there like forever, but I just want to revisit it again. So I'm just going to show you how I do my finger curls and the styles that I do while I'm wearing it. So to the video, oh no, not to the video yet. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, share, leave your comments down below. I really do appreciate it because I love to read comments. I think it encourages me to know that okay, I'm doing something, you know. So just leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like the styles, and if you have any contributions, please contribute. I really do appreciate it. Anyways, let's go down to the video. Bye. I basically like to spray my hair with water. This is just to moisturize my hair and prepare it for the curling treatment. So basically I've used the Dream Curls by Naturals Biolabs, and I use this because I've used this for a while and it's been so far so good. I like the way it works on my hair. It doesn't weigh my hair down, it doesn't have any flakes or any of those, and it's basically, it's okay, it's good. You can get this from any of your beauty supply stores around here. So basically I just apply the products from on my hair, the roots, the ends, and I twirl it around my finger. I normally like to use both hands to enable me to just evenly spread the products all over my hair, and yeah, that's basically that. So it took me like almost an hour or two to finish up the hair, and I finally did put my hair in satin scarf, and I'm ready to sleep. I love to do this in the night so that by morning I can have my hair ready for where I have to go to. So basically it's morning and I just took out the scarf, and I like to oil my hands to just keep my hands conditioned so I do not cause any form of breakage or split ends to my hair. This is just to keep my hair a little bit oiled and moisturized as well. So I simply just gently detangle the curls, separating them. You can obviously separate them for as much as you want, and depending on the fullness that you want. So I just fluff it with a pea comb. I like to see my curls a little bit out, and my hair looks way shorter than it naturally is, but I would just blame that on shrinkage. So I'm attempting a space bun here. my hair actually does space bun pretty well, but when I did this style my hair looked way shorter than usual, and then I did it again some weeks later and my bun looked way bigger because my hair was a bit stretched out. So ignore the fact that it looks really small here. If your hair is longer, this style will look obviously awesome on you. second style, I basically just use my scarf to just attempt to do a puff. This style is like obviously very popular. Everyone can do this style. It's just a simple style that you can rock any and everywhere. It goes with everything, every face shape. I really love this style a lot. I do this a lot. Yeah. So for this third style, I basically just pinned one side of my hair. This is just a very simple go-to style. These styles you can actually do like maybe each style. You could carry each style for 1 or 2 days and you're good. And yeah, basically that's just it. And for this style, I just pinned the other side, leaving the other side that I pinned to just attempt to create like a mohawky feel or look. You can obviously style to your desire or make it more mohawky or whatever, but that's it basically. And you rock the style for as long as you want to, 1-2 days basically. And then for the last style, I just use my scarf in the middle of my hair to just attempt to do like a mohawky with a little bit of would I say bangs an attempted bangs, and that's pretty much it. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you love this video, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe. I love you. Mwah. Bye.